In front of me is OUKITEL WP50 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by selecting Photos app and then tapping on Photos or Library at the bottom. When you find all of your pictures to delete, you need to hold one of them and use those type of icons at the top right corners to select multiple right away. To keep some, tap on the chosen ones, and to get rid of the rest, use bin icon at the top of library section or at the bottom of photos one. Then tap on move to trash and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!